With me, Mr. Abdul Azim, Chairman Minority Commission. What is the reason for you to come here, Mr. Azim?
Sir, I have come in the capacity of Chairman of Minority Commission, along with my Secretary, Shri Anis Siraj Saab and Nisar Ahmed Saab, to fulfill our constitutional responsibility. The constitutional responsibility of the Commission is to protect and maintain the peace, brotherhood in the state. And also, we are empowered to issue some instructions. Now we are facing a deadly disease, that is coronavirus. It is spreading day by day, and people are very much panic, and people are confined in their respective houses. Such a situation we never imagined, and we did not learn also from anybody such a thing will happen. Now I'll come to your question. The Minority Commission thought this is the headquarters of minorities, and all the ulmas of different sects we have called today. Already they have announced that we are following, the direction given by the government of Karnataka, central government. At the same time, there is some doubts in the minds of some people. Some people visited Markaz, Masjid Nizamuddin.
That is an old issue. Now, after the lockdown announced by the Prime Minister Modi, already there was a meeting by the Waqf Board, and Amir Shariaddin CM has announced the lockdown. So what new are you going to have to tell here?
So I told you that I was coming to your answer your question. You see, still some people are not reporting. As a result, every day infection cases is being increased in the community. Yesterday, in Malaballi, 3 cases have been detected, and in Bangalore 3 cases have been detected. Belgaum also detected. Listen to me, I'll tell you. So we would like to, from Commission side, already all the organization, including myself, I am conducting the press conference for the last 15 days. This is 4th time. Once again, we would like to bring awakening among the people. We would like to request our Ulama Ikram, message should go to each and every mosque. The president of the mosque taking a report from them that how many people have participated and how many people returned, how many people have not reported, how many people are infected. No. How many people have lost their lives, and if anybody remains, you please tell them to go and report.
So according to you, you are saying people had gone to Markaz, they have not reported, and that's the reason everything is spreading here.
No, not like that. Not like that.
Because you said you have to tell the
listen to me.
President of the mosque to again tell them to go and report. So who has not reported?
No, some of the people have not reported. That is in the east.
Markaz, they had gone to the...
Those who visited, they have come back,
they have
not reported, fearing that I am all right. I have returned about 25 days back. I am quite healthy. If I report, tomorrow they may put me in quarantine. A kind of fear is there. You see, nothing is wrong. We should not sit and debate. We should not sit and judgment. Once again, we can request, we are not going to lose anything.
But the Minority Commission has got the list of who all went, who all have come. Have you collected the data?
Listen to me, sir. General statistics government has issued. Government has issued that 1,500 people have visited. Among them, 800 people they have already identified. Among them, 140 3 people are symptomatic, and so far 110 people are infected. 50% directly who have gone there, and 50% those who have come into their contact. So some people, their government report says another 300 to 400 people have not reported. So nothing is wrong. Today we have giantly, that day when they held, Minority Commission was not present. Today we are all together. Maulvis of different sects were present, and we are giving a call. If such thing is there, kindly go and report in your own interest, in the interest of family. We are there to protect. Otherwise, tomorrow police will take up a case. You cannot hide it. Then they will take action against the family members also. Why once again suffering? Nothing is wrong.
So Minority Commission has come to get awareness for them to go back. Now that with coronavirus hitting badly and people are struggling to meet ends, you are the chairman of the Minority Commission. What would be your role in helping the needy and the poor who are stranded or in your personal capacity?
You see, up to 20th lockdown is there. All the borders are sealed. This, whatever they want to do, those migrants are stranded in different states or in the different countries. Our Prime Minister of India said after 3rd we are going to take some decision, some policy will be announced.
No sir, now present lot of people are in need of food, ration, and they don't have money, they don't have work. So you being the chairman of the Minority Commission, what steps would you take to help them first? And second thing, if not the Minority Commission, you as a personal capacity, what you do?
No, listen to me, there is no personal capacity. Personal capacity need not be explained. Now I am the constitutional authority. Every day, at least one alternate days, I am meeting the Chief Minister. I am giving the situation report, and whatever complaints are coming to my notice, I am bringing to his notice, and he is taking action. Any complaints which they are bringing to my notice or the notice of the Commission, immediately, every day 30 to 35 complaints are coming to the Commission office. We have opened a helpline, and we are talking to the authorities, Deputy Commissioner, Superintendent of Police, getting them relief.
And one more thing, now with order is there that nobody should read namaz, even the Taraweeh. There are some reports, you again giving statement that people should not read in the basement with 10 people on the terrace. So what is your message for them?
No, we have whatever our ulama said, we are sticking on those points. Only in the mosque, 2-3 members to look after the mosque, who remain inside, they cannot come outside. How they can do prayers in their respective homes, like that they can do prayers in the mosque, not more than that. Very, very strictly guidelines are given to them. Everybody should follow it.
So other than giving helpline, there is no other official helping the poor from the Minority Commission, because it is not your cup of tea, but as a commission to help the poor and needy in stress. What will you do?
Sir, listen to me. Government is doing help.
But it is not.
Listen. You can say.
A lot of people are not getting it, sir. You being the chairman.
No. Listen to me. You can say. And some of the places we have contacted. Some people have been left over without ration card. I spoke to the food minister, and in some places like Mysore, some 100 houses, 200 houses, they were not having ration card. Immediately we contacted the corporators. Corporators they are helping them. And in some places, if I go on telling them, there is a big list. The moment they contact us, there was some incident in Bagalkote, KRPete, Ubnabad, Hosanagar, and all these places, Shumaga. So we are immediately responding to them, talking to the authorities, giving them necessary help. In some places, some people expired, and due to our intervention, immediate pass was given to them.
Mr. Hakim spoke on the issue, saying that people who have come from the Markaz should voluntarily go and take the test for the welfare of the society and for them. Rizwan Asad, National News, Bangalore.
Yes, sir.